Long hot summer nights. That's James J.T. Taylor on Kaya FM 95.9, home of the Afropolitan. Yes, while we were watching the happenings at in Atteridgeville, Brian Molefe slipped into Parliament, and people are wondering if he cried at a press conference, what will happen when the EFF gets hold of him?
Mara.
I don't know.
Like
Via Shabin.
Like jokes aside. Oh. I'll think it's too. Just join maybe.
Exactly.
So man, good space. Open prega. Bambiza prega. Prega. So talk.
Is it?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. You know, we'll see.
The country nas. Like the country.
nice.
Abanye bayalo ePitori but bangaphuma Atteridgeville. Balolan, okay, sorry ngabantu bePitori bro. Nilwela in manje. Like no. Yeah, no, Warren was here. But basePitori nilwela in like yile silwelayo engaka ethi abantu bangayemsebenzini.
I'm speechless with this one, because you know, you interview these guys and they say, well, we are fighting against illegal immigrants, as if they're knocking on every door and saying, show us your papers.
Whoa. Ni abantu basically ngicela xenophobe. Basically bantu basePitori ni ngicela xenophobe futhi. Xenophobe be right Alexander yaphela. Ngoba into yan athiwa are banze. I'm hambi. But bazama ngeJoskei River, iJoskei River yahluleka. Niqosha abantu ePitori ngoba asebe South Africa. Bahleli nabo, I'm hambi. Migwazeni. This is too early. Migwazeni vele amjigila. Miyakhira futhi akhuluma nespeed. Midulile. Migwazeni ke. Ngikupela migwaze. Atteridgeville is understand. Nakupela. Amasaluna valiwe, shoemaker valiwe. Building imile. Isimende. Building material. Amiyaki. Nkasi yakhe. Akirina nixosha. Ngithi lesizangara sifuna ukukhuluma isizulu. Akirina nixosha. Nixosheni ke. Ikhathulo zikrom. Khona mama ufuna isithende this weekend. Uye emncwabeni. Usibani. Mikwetsi la. Kwikwelile. Mikwetsi. Mara France. It's 10. Khubela 10. Ingasikhona ukubula. Ngikabula banchise. And nagiya godol.
I need a song.
Nilwela ini. Sorry, ngizokwenza inwela. Mikwetsi nabafazi bakhona ngidabazilo.
All right, 8:23 on Kaya FM 95.9, home of the Afropolitan. What is your coach's name, by the way? Ubani
Shell your vest.
Oh, Shell. Oh, coach.
Shine your vest. Mina brabo indaba zepolang iziyekile bafethu ayingabe bo. Like this year, yeah, ngizobona next year. Like iParis ngenze nokuphatha iappendix. Yes brabo. Paris kenzo uvule appendix like an appendix yamanje ayifani yakudala. Appendix yamanje brabo bona keep an appendix usale ngathi uneshashaza kuphela. La kuba ngadown ephimpulinya eyakudala yazi apartheid joke apartheid yazi unokukhipha appendix ube ngathi uyindoda ube ngathi uqeda uthola ama triplets I crash. Probably yawazi ama-operation uyawazi kakuphatha riding une-crash ama-operation yakhona iziyena si-endelalela i-appendix ikuphathe esiswini emuva une-crash abelungu abasithathu serious that's ngapartheid proper siyabonga kubantu abasilwele singasabi apartheid dala bekunezifo ezikasi usibuza yini lento le like umuntu wathi yini lento umuntu uphathe yini lento i-brain tumor brain tumor dala bebaqhaqa inhloko ngathi Christina bakhipha ukhobo bakhipha yonke into bakufaka izenke lomkhukhu zenke manje bakunikeza yini into zengilezi imithi bayitrain i-brain tumor bayitrain kancane ube right bakubuza ukuthi are you ready to go to surgery if you can't go we'll give you medication that will last you over 2 years dala bugibela taxi ngo11 ngimba phone ngo11 manje sibhekela bathi usa ICU cabanga uziyele wena uziyele gogo athi ngibhekele brain tumor ukuthi kwenzakala la esibhedlela mawufika chopho abazi babekephi and yazibhekela zelokishini mathu tshwana ubuchopho baka James ngifike commission tshwana udobje kufuna uthathe linye ihlanya lo sidlala ngobuchopho oh no I want you guys to go to a public hospital nihlale nibukele into esizala lapha mina ngazi ukusejele lapha uhlala ngama drip abantu Kala ngidrip. Umkhusha le drip. Badale ikhusha ngomuntu. Badale umkhusha ngedrip. Lemshini ditu ayisebenzi. Ine shot like ngathi generator like and abantu bakuvashele yaba irritate angasikhona ukucima kancane mhlambe sikubone sihambe matangeke phela sakhona ukubamba amafoni wethu manje ulala kanjani mara umshini okuze ngathi ukunditshana ngathi umshini okunditshana la yilo tup une shot ni 3 connected ni 3 lo mshini ni 3 blood pressure ni afana nonke 125/87 nonke bathi kula high blood mara be right msizona umshini usebenza out detect ukuthi and namhlanje kufuneka sifo esishi uthini sifo leswena wena khomotso
alopecia
yini
it's not in ayinjaka next alopecia has been there forever.
I've never heard of alopecia. I mean,
what do you mean hanele kwarabanyana ba perindi bonding and then their hair goes off? You would say that they've got alopecia?
No, I mean alalela mina angazi ukuthi kunesifo kuthiwa senzani like awunawe total yonke indawo.
Yeah, it attacks.
Like total.
It attacks your hair follicles. So yes, your hair doesn't grow.
Maraba nest. I can take dinner in salon. Kabang umono alopecia uyaza ngilapho. Chama siya salon nyenzana salon. Evele lento mas. Clean. Ngathi ngangiphatha yazi into engidina yona yesalon ngathi ngapha alopecia like ngifuna
alopecia.
Yazi la kunezifo singazazi. La thina sinento eziningi like siyagula prapop siyagula jo. Siyagula ziningi into singabodaki. Siyagula sazi. Kunezifo eziningi. Umuntu thina sithi uyafaint akafainti.
Oh.
Yes, besivimbela omunye umfana serious prapop thina ngithi esikoleni bekufunda abantu aba right ombuthi lo kahle kufanele ngafunde nathi ngoba uslow sithi dom kanti akho dom yini baba lo mangabe awucabanga ugcina ku3
what
unokucabanga ugcina ku3 awufika u4 kodwa hayi bafona abantu bafela bathole 12 out of 200 kodwa lento le umuntu akastudishanga hayi sine interpreter like Black people need a workshop. We need a huge workshop. Hlale phansi. Baningi abantu abagulayo. Wonke umuntu ifamily unoma noma ufentayo. Uphethe yini?
Maybe una lady feet.
Yini ayenzwa yini? Awazenzekali nje. Bathi hayi nama worries. Bathi hayi ngamniki dampu nama worries. bese ayaliphuza bese ayaqala tatazelana yo athi mthandazeleni why athandazela uyagula la thina sinento sinazo jo asazi yini
Yeah.
Sele ku wrong umuntu we need to know about this thing khona manje ngifunde ngale etoprodotricia le etoprodotricia umuntu angazi yini mina ngiyabuza ukuthi why intwana uqiniso ajo ngitropre na mina appreciate
You still haven't addressed this issue, Coach Shalona, because.
Oh, by the
way, I just wanted to hear it again.
Angsekoda. I like it is I can we begazel. Mashawa ma 6. Masakfika lo asingamuzwa manje. Nalo khuluma Sweden. Yibi club as Sweden oyaziyo win us anything. Smell 12 manje. So dliwa mu 12-1. Uzibuza igolf or tennis. Yes. Ngingasala bafethu ayikabi mina lo nyaka lo ngithatha ibreak kancane. Same kancane ngedisc la ngishila ngifuna ukuphakamela ama appendix wami. Umuntu unenkinga zakhe la umuntu angazawe awiswa yiPirates
or Amaoris.
Amaoris uBrazil Amaoris yini? Yamafits na. Awasazi Dr. Khumutso. Dr. Khumutso. La Khumutso fanele mabaqeda ukuqosha uanele bafaka yona ngicela kwaba unolini. Ngoba unolini ngoba onele fanele kuye wena. Funeka isilenda lapha kula catalog.
Awuqoyelani baba.
Funeka same group, same WhatsApp group, same group. Ahlala wena lapha. Usicela ngaye yonke lento kama Wikipedia nama Indonesia. Khuluma ngento nyane singazazi, ama worry, it's a worry.
It's a worry.
It's a worry. Ngoba une information khumutso thina singayazi. Ubrababa has been doing radio for all Joe 29 years probably. Akazi yini Wikipedia.
Wayitseba lo Peter.
Uye lapha TV ngaleno lezakhe ezigreen. Ungathi yabona abantu balu adjust ikhale TV yabo cha. Yazi TV masayibona ivele be green ngapha. Uthi screen sami. Hayi kanti uwe ke wahlaphile. Uyahamba anonavayela.
There's been apparently an outrage over Minnie Dlamini being the first female black on the cover of Kickoff magazine. I don't know why.
Yeah,
it's very strange.
That's probably this is what I've seen, man. Like true story. Twitter has turned into like Onyemax gets set ready hate. Like there's nothing positive. That's mean why. Like we find something wrong in everything.
Yeah.
Like we try and find something wrong in. Yeah. But can't why push him this angabanga cover because she has got 100 goals. Maybe I call camera friendly. Maybe my camera no funu take and camera no tell. I think take. Pelu push him this time to core. I think core. So ngenzeni ngigijime ngenzeni enamaza ngithi yamaza unoblokish so tshela mina bafethu ngenzani sake icalana ku cover kwenzakalani ama director unasikhatsarayile ngeze cover ka push him this uthenga abantu abengakhe ngozoyibona ubona into wrong ukuthi why gijima why ngami yasazithombe somuntu bekadlula sesisho ubani ukukhava wathi uphosha wathi wenzani bafethu yabazi laba abanyenanyana umina udla alright lapha alright noma ngabe asikho straight photoshop feders asithombe bo because intamo yakhe ayikho straight nama shoulders like
Did you see that?
yeah mina ngiyenza encyclopedia like I'm gonna use this big English words this weekend for no reason. Like why ngifuna uphosha mdise la okay abafaka umini bafake bani exactly usacabanga funa ufaka uMaWilliams hey though you know Masakende and I was MaWilliams una mafosi yobe kuleke indende kule yakhava shut up all right What's up? Uyakwazi ukuchecka mara ukuziva kanjani? Ngingachecka ngenye indawo ubaba khona ngena mfana.
Hawu.
Ngathi ba? Let's get doing the guiding speed kharavu ngathi. and laba buka obosho nyazi 26 ngathi zonkapa ngiharavu lo anyamona uborokile la ngaphandle ufuna ukubuyela ejele mina mangishela mina mangishela bengangithathi serious bengana hayi kunjani ngani ngathi ukubona ba hey kunjani ngangisikhumba manje yo bengithi ngikwazi igama lami ngamchama
Serious?
ayikho into echama njengathunuka kamnandi bafethu
Wena na.
cologne eye perfume
Yes, yes.
unomehlo futhi Mabe le nto igcobisayo mawusa ispray ithi une jive boy right Ati spray amaphela Khameke na uphume nje bathi yini Hayi kikini Hayi Maloku ukhuluma ujuluka kuma pause iyavela
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Bafethu
Oh.
and abantu besimame bathanda into simple clean shoes yana manje ecela clean yasimama umshayela uthalo uthi yebo ubheka phansi
Yeah.
bese thola i-river boots unkosi ngapha iteke lakho lingcolile uthi akuyasokholwa lana
Yeah.
khuphuka na so makabona ibhathi clean nice imthethe bande take in ungathaki in unnecessary nalezi sithaka umuntu ozothaka in nejesu take in islamba nesuit ngidama but nice
Yeah.
now khumuzo ngithi that's why I'm singing shela abantu ababheda
Hey.
hello you idambi eliluka lapho ungashela umuntu lokuyidambi hello yo ena uthi nomzimba ngithi unomzimba nyana una uchabi sexy child mama kushela nomzana yo for room in a garage
What? No one tells me like that. No.
kasipho sowethu
Wena
wena
akasushele ko crashing or like
Rumela
laborers,
garage
whatever.
one piece of
but that's what they say
These
this
guys.
do you know what that means so it's not an insult it's
I
saying
don't care. I don't want it.
ufuna uthi uphelele my love uyi package ephelele uyi that thing ufuna umuntu afike kuwe athi
One room.
wala biltong wow one room hayi khumutso
No, it doesn't work.
khumutso iparty in a party yayo
Okay.
a dining room kitchen in a kitchen it's a Betty private areas come on khumutso come on man oh Bravo, penny. Utuli award.
What's that?
Penny utuli award. Malamlele awards.
Really? What's that?
I'm award of security.
Oh, okay. No.
And umhlobo bani, bravo. Mangabe uthi unomcanga.
You were saying?
Yeah, utuli award. A lifetime achievement award. Kian. Bebenzile tending. Award osemalamlele. Abantu abayi 72. Award yakhona. Ngathi sivalo se-cold drinking guys. Maceda Papa Pen washada same day. Papa Pen ushade ngelanga eliyi-1. Imbuzi kaPapa Pen bongafunga ukuthi yashona izo That's why that show of it. No, it's what happened. Papa Pen ushadile. Ngembuzi encane. Like imbuzi kaPapa Pen ushada ufaza ngembuzi. Ushada ufaza ngembuzi egulayo probably imbuzi yabo le ngathi hey.
What are you off to this weekend, my brother?
Tonight ngizobe ngiplomen amajita on top floor lapho labo abafeng nabo at soul zobe kumnandi yawo na Wanda balona ngicrash Wanda ngifuna ukumtshela something.
It's you've known Wanda for like probably 30 years. Only now.
No, tala le crash kube rush. Yabona, yabe crash. Song mabheka enemy day ko le weekend. Ngasiqede grand no one. And then brabo I kusasa ngalapho ngiyakhona next week seduduza October bane party by the dam
All right.
outside party and abakwazi ukuswima kuzoba ne problem next week eduduza